So today we have an electric balloon pump by Likee. I'm going to do a full review for it, and so we're going to go ahead and get started. This is the box that it came in. As you see, it's a pretty compact size, and inside the box you have your cute little piggy balloon pump that is very lightweight, it's compact, and it's easy to use. We'll get into that in a little bit, but first let's see what's inside the box. You have your instructions, of course, and you have some glue dots. And glue dots are great to help balloons stick together if you're adding balloons to a balloon garland or just want them to stick together. Garland strip, that's the foundation to help you get started in making a beautiful balloon arch. And a balloon tire. A balloon tire makes it so much easier to tie up balloons, and a little cap, I guess, just to kind of protect where the air comes out of. And right here we just have a plug protector. You just pull that off before you plug it in. It comes with a Velcro strap around the plug, so that makes it easy to keep the plug wrapped up. And you just push it down to use it for the air to come out. It just makes it really easy to blow up balloons. And you can blow up balloons as big as 12 inches. Now I'm going to show you how to use this balloon tire. Balloon tires are great. You just slide it on your hand, and once you have your balloon up, you go ahead and you just tie it around and tuck it underneath. You pretty much just making a knot, and then I'll show you how to do it once more. It's really cool that this balloon pump comes with these additional accessories. It just makes it so much easier to create whatever you're trying to make for your party decorations. It definitely keeps you from running out of breath from having to blow up lots of balloons. And because of this portable size, it makes it easy for you to carry along with you for all of your balloon needs. I do want to mention that this is only an air-filled balloon. It does not fill balloons with helium, just with air. Overall, it's a great pump. I love the color, the size, the accessory that it comes with. Make sure you check out the link in my description if you want to grab one or get more information about it. I want to thank Likee for sending me this product to review, and thanks for checking out my review.